How's it going, my YouTube friends? This is Stefan. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe and watch the video to the end. Today we're gonna give you a review of Mi Band 4. I was using Mi Band 4 for the past 10 days. Yes, 10 days. And watch the full video today, because from today I'm going to start to rate all the gadgets that I'm going to review in my YouTube channel. So we're starting now. Let's do this. Why Mi Band 4 is a big deal in 2019? Mi Band 4 in 2019 is one of the best, or maybe the best, budget fitness tracker. So if you need something that works fantastic, flawlessly, definitely you should check the Mi Band 4. And stay with me, because I'm gonna give you all the reasons why I recommend this Mi Band 4. So let's go to the review now. So for the past 10 days I was using Mi Band 4, and believe it or not, I'm going to show you now in a minute in the app. Believe it or not, I still have about 55%. Yes, 55% I charge this fitness tracker before 10 days ago. And now I'm going to see you the app now in a second. Okay, so let's see now the Mi Fit app. I'm gonna show you on my smartphone. This is the Pixel XL 2. So this is the app. Let's go to the app now. As you can see today, this is for today, I did about 20,000 steps, which is great. It's about 14 kilometers, but this is not the thing that I want to show you. So let's go to my profile. So this is my profile. Recharge goal 10 days ago, recharge it. Okay, so as you can see here, Mi Band Smart Band 4 battery 55%. So when I click here, last charged 10 days ago. This is brilliant. This is fantastic. So this is amazing. So as you can see now, 55% I still have, and I have 10 days. That's pretty amazing. As you can see, 10 days in a charge. In the official website, the battery said it will keep you up to 20 days, which I believe. That's why this is amazing, you know, 10 to 15 days in a one charge. This is incredible, guys. I don't know what they do, but this is fantastic. Plus, which smart fitness tracker, which smart fitness watch will keep you more than 2 days? Yeah, I understand you spend 400 pounds, 400 USA dollars for your Apple Watch, Samsung Watch, and so on. But end of the day, how many times you use your all the functions? So often, how many times you use all the functions? Okay, I understand, yes, it's cool to have a smartwatch, but end of the day, it's too many functions. You pay a lot of money for something that you don't use. And if you're something on a budget, you definitely should check the Mi Band 4. This thing is incredible. And the Mi Band 4, it's a super upgrade than Mi Band 3. Mi Band 3, it's the last year generation, which it didn't have the AMOLED screen. This is an AMOLED screen and super bright in the daylight. That's why I recommend this Mi Band 4. So you have all the functions. You have the 6 exercise, you have running, you have swimming, indoor, outdoor, you have treadmill. You have all the functions that you need. You have stopwatch, you have alarms, you have notifications as well. You can receive all your SMS, WhatsApp, everything is in the app. I'm gonna give you a brief about the Mi Fit app, but this is gonna be a separate video. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna give you a lot of information about the Mi Fit app. Actually, the Mi Fit app is brilliant, it's fantastic. But yeah, this is fantastic. I mean, the price is $29.99 from Amazon. I bought this Mi Band 10 days ago, and it's been fantastic. So I did a lot of exercise, I did running, I did walking, which is fantastic. And 10 days, this is brilliant. So that's why I recommend it. 10 days, and I still have 55%, 54%, which is amazing. Yes, the screen is 0.5 inches. For me, it's not a big deal. For me, I think it's okay. Plus, it's a big bonus. You have AMOLED screen. This is I hope it's you can see properly. It's an AMOLED screen. I love it. So that's why I recommend it. Okay, I'm super excited because this is brilliant. 10 days in one charge, and I still have half of the battery. You know, you charge this fitness band, you wear it every day, and you just forget to charge it. You don't charge it every day as your smartphone. You just charge it once, and that's it. And you can do all your stuff. And I like the vibration of this Mi Band because it's very good. Let's say you are a very noisy environment. Let's say you're in a club, or let's say you work as a bartender. You work in a very noisy environment, but you expect a very important call, or basically you just expect any messages, anything. These things is gonna help you. It's gonna help you very, because the vibration of this Mi Band is brilliant. I love it, guys. I'm super excited. This is not sponsored video by Xiaomi. I had this band, like I said, in 10 days, and I love it. So, should you buy this Mi Band 4? And the answer is yes, definitely you should give it a go, because it's a great fitness tracker. And now, the more important thing is, I'm gonna rate this fitness tracker Mi Band 4 for the score for 5 stars. Yes, 5 stars, because I don't find anything wrong in this Mi Band 4. Okay, some people is gonna say no, it doesn't have a GPS. Guys, this thing is 30 pounds. This thing is great. And actually you can change all the straps. Also, I'm gonna make a different video about this to show you how to change all the straps, and you can change the look. You can put blue, white, yellow, green, but I'm gonna show you this in the next video. So 5 stars. What I want to change maybe for the Mi Band 5? Well, probably the screen. Like I said, it's not a big deal for me, but I think the good spot will be 1.1, because if it's too big, it's changing, then it's too big. I don't like when it's too big. This thing is on my wrist, and I forget that I have a Mi Band. What else? Maybe GPS, but this is gonna be very different, because they're gonna increase the price. So let me know if you want to see 5 things, if you want to see in the video, if you want to make a wish, what they want to put maybe for the Mi Band 5 for the next year, what things you want to see for the future. Let me know in the comments down below. But for now, this thing is brilliant. So 5 stars. Xiaomi, you nailed it. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, I appreciate a like, subscribe, share the video. So once again, Mi Band 4, it's the band that you should buy. My name is Stefan. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you very much, and see ya.